Hello, everyone, and welcome to Adsrepay.com, the forum with the most paid online tasks. Let's log into Adsrepay.com dashboard and explore the amazing Timewall Offerwall. Known for its diverse earning options, top-notch customer service, and easy withdrawal methods, let's take a deeper look into what Timewall Offerwall has to offer. At Timewall, you can choose from a variety of paid activities. Whether it's taking a survey, playing a game, or completing an offer, there's something for everyone. Check in every day to find new offers and promotions. Now let's take a look at Timewall menu. The task section is your first stop. Here you'll find a curated list of tasks tailored to your interests and preferences. Make sure you also check out the surveys section where new surveys are added daily. This is also one of the more popular ways to earn. Similarly, you can click on offers and clicks for more earning options. These offers can be as simple as liking a Facebook post for a few cents or signing up for service or playing a game for the big dollar amount. Once you are done with the offers and tasks, you can check out the history section to track your progress for ongoing and completed offers. You can also check new offers and promotions by clicking the Inbox tab. Timewall also provides good customer service. Click on the support action to address any concerns or questions. Timewall's dedicated team is always ready to assist and ensure a smooth user experience. Now on to the last part, which is withdrawing your earnings. The withdraw section is where the magic happens. Click on Withdraw section on Timewall and then click on Withdraw at Adsrepay.com. Now that you have withdrawn your Timewall points to Adsrepay.com, you can simply visit the Redeem section on Adsrepay and get paid within 24 hours via PayPal, crypto, or Amazon gift cards. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much for joining Adsrepay. Make sure to follow us on Twitter and YouTube for news, updates, and other valuable content.